Katden update. Isa sa mga tumulong sa Katden sa pagrampa nila sa bench passing show. Yan yung trainer nilang si Coach Mauro, yun, no? And nakasama rin ng Katden ang SB19. Yan sila Alden, saka Katrin. Kasama rin si Chi. Ayan, no? Naki-TikTok pa nga si Katrin, eh. Sa SB19, eh. At may picture din si Alden sa SB19. Solid. Yan, hanggang sulyap na lang si Alden kay Katrin. Ito pa yung interview kay Katrin about sa nalalapit niyang birthday. Ito yung video.
Really, your birthday?
Yeah.
So, yung sulyap ni Alden kay Katrin.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat something good for my birthday. Kasi nag-prepare for this. So, after this, I can eat na.
Yeah. How will you plan to celebrate your birthday, may we ask?
No
Do you have
plans
any
pa po eh. No plans, but for now, my last work is until Sunday. And then I'll decide na lang kung saan man. Yeah.
Turning 29?
29.
Wow. Fantastic. Do you have a birthday wish?
I just want,
Or birthday prayer?
I'm just here for growth this year. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy siya and I just want to be genuinely happy.
Yan, yan yung sulyapan ng Katden. Yan, maraming ginilig dyan. Lalo na sa backstage. Ito yung pagrampa nila Alden Richards at Katrin Bernardo. And during bench body of work, the bench show. Yan, solid. Yan, isa sila sa mga inabangan dyan. Siyempre. Opening si Alden, kasi Katrin ay pampinali. Yun, know. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.